Hey folks, managing databases and writing SQL queries feeling overwhelming? Meet Chat2DB, your AI-powered database companion that transforms complex data management into a breeze. This intuitive tool lets you generate SQL queries using simple natural language, analyze data across platforms, create dashboards, and handle database migrations all in one place. With local processing and encryption, your data stays private and secure. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Chat2DB helps you make faster, smarter decisions. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. First, let's open the web browser and search Chat2DB. Then hit the very first link and it will take us to the official page. Chat2DB is an AI-powered database management tool, acting as a cross-platform AI database client. It offers developers the following capabilities: AI-driven SQL query generation by using natural language processing for complex queries. Enhanced SQL coding efficiency with AI. With the aid of the AI's QL editor, developers can write intricate SQL queries swiftly and accurately, thereby saving time and boosting development efficiency. AI-assisted table creation. Just input table and column names into the AI Table Copilot, and AI will automatically configure types, keys, and comments, saving up to 90% of your time. For data analysts and marketing personnel, Chat2DB provides robust support as well. Rapid data insights with AI. Achieve complex reasoning through intermediate steps, with AI generating insights from SQL queries, charts, and extended questions, aiding you in easily obtaining key information. Create dashboards with AI. Generate a dashboard in seconds with AI to gain real-time insights from your database, supporting your operational needs. Analyze Excel data with AI beyond just databases. We enable you to analyze Excel data with AI, streamlining data processing and analysis workflows. Currently, Chat2DB comes in 3 editions to cater to diverse user requirements. The local version is suitable for environments that require offline use. The Pro version operates in a SaaS model, accessible via web interface or downloadable local client, requiring internet connectivity. The Team version is designed for collaboration among teams of 5 or more, featuring SQL auditing and more. When you download and install, the interface is like this. First, you need to create a new database connection. Choose Miscal here. Name your data source. Select your environment and the storage for local or cloud, depending on your need. Then input the IP in the host. Input the password. If you are using it for the first time, you need to download the driver here. Then test the connection and click Save. Once you created the connection, you need to set up the AI data collection. By doing this, AI will better understand your database schema and generate more accurate and relevant SQL queries and responses. Rest assured, Chat2DB's AI only perceives the database schemas and does not access real data. It guarantees you 100% data security and privacy, with all queries and processing done locally. It may take a few minutes. Once the AI data collection is set up, you can further customize it by modifying AI column names and comments. This customization allows the AI to better understand the nuances of your specific database structure, leading to even more precise and useful outputs. If you're new to SQL or not very familiar with it, you might have resorted to asking ChatGPT for help, then copying and pasting the results. This process is cumbersome and unreliable. With Chat2DB, you simply ask your question in natural language within the query console, and AI will generate the SQL code for you. This makes it incredibly easy for beginners to get started and ensures they receive accurate, optimized queries right away. The query results can also be freely copied and exported in various file formats, offering you the flexibility to use them as needed. Managing multiple databases from different platforms can be a logistical nightmare. Switching between tools and managing connections manually is time-consuming and prone to mistakes. Chat2DB offers a unified, visual interface for managing over 24 types of databases. You can easily connect, manage, and visualize your databases all in one place, streamlining your workflow and improving efficiency. Imagine your boss suddenly asks you to create a complex table for a new project. Previously, you would have spent hours manually defining column names, types, indexes, and comments, ensuring everything was perfect. With Chat2DB, all you need to do is input the table name and column names. The tool automatically handles the rest, generating the table structure with optimal settings. Plus, you can instantly generate high-quality test data to facilitate testing. Picture this. Your system crashes due to a complex depagination query that overwhelms the database. In the past, troubleshooting and optimizing such queries could take days, impacting productivity. With Chat2DB, you can quickly identify and optimize the problematic query. The tool analyzes the query, suggests optimizations, and applies them instantly, resolving the issue and restoring system performance. If you're a data analyst or business decision maker who needs to generate reports but lacks SQL skills, traditionally, you'd either have to spend time learning SQL. With Chat2DB, this changes. Now, you can obtain reports instantly without needing to learn SQL. Simply ask natural language questions like, display product sales ranking. Chat2DB not only generates SQL queries, but also creates the most suitable visual charts based on your data automatically. Furthermore, you can customize and edit the generated visual charts to meet specific presentation needs. Additionally, Chat2DB offers a BI dashboard to easily build interactive dashboards with AI. You can visualize data insights and customize charts and graphs with just a few clicks, enabling quick, informed decision-making without needing developer assistance. This self-service feature allows everyone to access up-to-date data analysis, promoting faster and more data-driven decisions. In this way, Chat2DB can be used. Try this AI tool and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Besides, don't forget to subscribe gurrutechsolutions for more AI-related content. See you in next video. Bye.